Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am in South Korea right now, and at the moment I am in my hotel room. If you haven't noticed, I am in my hotel room and I made myself very comfortable. As you can tell, I'm in my pajamas already and I don't give a damn. At the moment at Yogin, which is really close to Everland, which is pretty far from Seoul if I must say, because I'm gonna have to find a way back to get there. And in my last video, of course, I was already coming here, like I was kind of vlogging of me being on my way here to Korea, and kind of shared the process a little bit in not in detail because it was just so fast, you know, like everything was just like boom 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 boom. But I'm here now. So at the moment I am at the Golden Tulip, I believe, in Yogin. Let me go check it. Let me go grab it. Yes, actually it is the Golden Tulip. There's my lunch. I need to go get my lunch. Let me go grab it. I just got my lunch. So this is what it looks like. I mean, I'm gonna show it after, but let me show you real fast. This is my first time receiving lunch ever. So let's see what it comes with it. We'll continue with the video real quickly. Let me just open this up. Ooh, they're really nice. They come with chopstick and a spoon. The most basic. Chopstick and a spoon. Oh, they packed orange juice for me. Orange juice. They packed me orange juice. Nice. Water, thank God, because I'm gonna need one. I mean, I bought one at the airport because of the... Okay, I'm not picky. I should have said no to fish. But I believe this is a stew. I'm not entirely sure what kind of stew it is. Rice is a necessity. Let me show you what I got, okay? Look. So it comes with fish. I hope I like it. It comes with kimchi. I don't know what this is. This looks like potato, and I think that's red bean, and I think this might be Korean pancake. If I'm wrong, I'm so sorry, but that is what I got for lunch. I am at the Golden Tulip, and it is really far from Seoul, so I have to find a way back to Seoul, most likely taking a cab or a taxi. I mean, taxi is not that expensive compared to like taxis out in New York and everything, but I wouldn't be surprised if I spend a lot of money taking a taxi to Seoul, because I don't even know if I can take public transportation. So, sorry, my friends are messaging me. Let me put it on silent. So, it cost me 1,100, actually a little less than that, because she said she was going to give me money back in Korean currency. So, but from what I've paid is 1,100 for 10 days here to be quarantining in the Golden Tulip, which is great because less money spent for me. It's not too bad, you know. That's how much I was expecting to pay anyways, is 1,100, which is great, and in Korean currency is 1,200,000, which is great. I don't know why I keep saying it's great. Yeah, I'm here. I am here in my hotel room, and it's really nice actually. So right when I got into the hotel, I had to do like download the apps. Let me show you. So at the airport, they made me download, I don't know if you guys can see it, this one. They made me download this one at the airport, and then here at the hotel they made me download this one. So and they were helping me along the way, and they were very nice and everything. And of course, the moment I got into the room, they gave me a thermometer. Well, it was left here on my little stationary area over here. so I can take my temperature. I believe it's twice a day. I need to reread the instructions again to make sure that I have no fever or anything in that sort. But right now I don't feel any different. I'm just very excited. I think the only thing I might feel is lack of human interaction because I am very extroverted, but I do know that I'm gonna try my best to keep myself busy. But so far, as of almost 12 o'clock, the first day of quarantine, I don't feel any different. I actually feel pretty good, surprisingly. We'll see how it is for the next 9 days, and I will be filming each day at a time. Maybe like every 5 days I'll make a video, and it won't take too long, I think. So my plan is to study as much Korean as I can, because when I was at the airport actually getting some stuff like a bigger liter water and getting banana milk as well, I was asking the man, the register guy, like I felt bad, but I wanted to freaking not study, but I wanted to practice my Korean so bad. And so I was like, 팀 언니 card 있어요? And he said something, and I said, yeah, that's okay. I know how to do it, but it's okay. You know, I'll do it when I get out. And so he was like, okay. And then I didn't realize that I needed a bag because in the States, like, I think he offered me the bag, but I just didn't understand. So, and then I asked him, 가방 있어? Like, do you have a 있어요? And he's like, yeah, we do. And then he ends up telling me so fast in Korean that it's 101 for the bag. So after today, I'm like, I need to get better at my Korean because I can't be speaking to them in Korean if I can't understand them. You know? So I need to study. So I guess real quickly before I start my lunch, I'm gonna give you a little room tour. It's very small, okay? Very, very small. So as you can see here, this way is my window. I'll show you my window right now. But let me go show you guys. So from here, this is my door, of course. This is my door right here, and I'm right here. Yay! And then this is my room key, and then here is my bathroom, which is really nice and everything, and of course, the toilet. And then here is my sink and everything, and they gave me extra slippers. Yay! So they gave me extra slippers. And here is like where all the water bottle, where you can heat up water and everything, and my trash bag is right here. Down here is my mini fridge, and it's really quiet. And of course I have my banana milk in there, and I have some stuff, and also like the hotel gave us some snacks. So it came with this, the 2 drinks, and the pair of spaghetti bread, which was very nice of them. And then from here, I got this at the convenience store at the airport because I hear all over like YouTube, like watching YouTube videos, they always recommend to get an extra water bottle. So I did. I listened. And then these are the rest of the snacks that the hotel gave me. And then here is where I keep my luggage. And I'm gonna start using my Coach bag because I just had it in my suitcase this whole time. I have my TV here. This is the extra bed, like you see all over not Instagram, on YouTube, that they don't use the extra bed, so here it is. And then here is my bed. It's actually pretty cozy and everything. And you know what's really cool too? Here is where I can control the lights and everything, which is super cool. And this is the front of my TV. Really nice. And then here's like my little stationary area, like my desk, like when I want to study Korean and everything. And of course I do get a little chair with a little table, Here's my view, and it's so pretty. I'm actually really happy that I have windows, but earlier it was so foggy, and now it's all nice and sunny. It is kind of chilly outside, not gonna lie, but this is my view. You see people, like he's putting stuff in his car. Those guys are walking. So I'm gonna enjoy this time, like to look out the window, bring in some fresh air and everything. This one opens up too, and it's actually pretty hot in here, so I'm gonna open this one too. So yeah, this is my view of Yogin, and it's so pretty. Okay y'all, so this is it for this video. I don't really have much to really say except of the fact that I did get here and the basic important things that I did need to say of immigration and everything in my last video. And just if you are here in Yogin, this is one of the locations where you might be staying at. And this is a disclaimer, you do not get to choose the hotel you are staying in. I did not know where the heck I was going. I just waited and I got on a bus and I'm here. And yeah, and I'm supposed to be in Seoul, but I'm here. So don't expect a lot, because I've seen people saying that they're choosing like the hotel they want to stay in, and if you don't get to choose, I mean, unless you are like staying in a long-term visa. But for me, since I'm here for traveling, I don't get to choose the hotel I get to choose. I was just brought here, and this is where I'm at. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and you will see me filming for the next 4 days, like half of the quarantine here and then the rest of the quarantine like the next 10 days. But yeah, that is it for now, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and if you guys want to get notifications of the next video that's coming out, press the notification button, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.